Is there a red mark on my cheek?
Where?
Oh!
Oh! Time motherfuckers touch my wiener, kid!
Why would somebody shoot yourself in the head and then throw the gun?
Oh. Look, that's mud.
Why would somebody shoot themselves in the head and then run? I mean, and toss the gun and then fall down.
Alright, I'll do that one again.
I'm sorry. God, what the fuck are you doing, man? You're putting like... Anyway, down in Virginia, hot spot for the ladies, you know what I'm saying?
Lost dogs suck ass.
Oh, you said me?
Lost dogs suck ass. No, bitch.
Hey! Oh, no!
Out here, we're talking to our local mailman out here. Hello, what's your name, sir?
John.
Watch out for that dog shit. John.
That's what they like to call me, the postal.
How do you deal with these hot conditions out here? I mean, it's really hot.
Well, I like to carry some water in my truck, some extra cold ice water, and fan myself off with the mail.
Well, that's the trick here. I'll take that. Oh God, I'm trying. We're gonna save Mama. Oh, motherfuckers. What the fuck is this shit? Oh, fucking kids. Fucking another shitty day. What the fuck? Oh! Oh! Fuck!
I have a dogma. Kevin Smith direct that one?
Yes, he did.
Ah.
Dogma. We got one more copy.
Anything on 8mm?
We have a U2 concert, Bon Jovi.
Ah, Bon Jovi, huh?
Bon Jovi fan?
I like Bon Jovi.
Okay, this is from the 1999 World Tour. Oh, that one's out. Sorry. You gotta get more situated in here. Here you go.
Thanks, son. How much I owe you?
That'd be 15 bucks. Is that how much I told you?
Alright,
I'll make you a deal.
I'm gonna count that. I don't know if it's all there, huh?
It's only 10.
Ah, I must have the other 5 out in the car. Why don't you come with me? I'll pick up the tab, huh?
Alright, sure.
Alright.
Dogma, you're gonna love that one.
Oh, I think I have some in my pocket. You're under arrest, son.
Whoa!
Lay down here.
What is this, some kind of joke?
Lay down.
Is this some kind of joke?
Lay down. You hippie bastards are all the same, huh?
What are you talking about?
Outside. Make it official. Put on tape, Josh. Outside, you at the fucking door.
I'm straight
She's
out.
all pissed off.
Junkie motherfucker smoking crack and heroin.
I'll fucking kill him! Hey, Teddy! Get the fuck up, Teddy! Where the fuck's my money, Teddy? Get up, you fucking piece of shit! Where the fuck's my money, Teddy?
Oh, man. You coming this time in the morning and wake me up? Whoa!
Get the fuck up!
Whoa, Mr. Face, I'll have your money. I got it.
When?
I sort of got it. I got it, man.
I should fucking kill you.
I got all these cans. I'll recycle them.
The shit, man. Don't resist arrest.
No!
Free money.
Traffic violation.
Huh?
Traffic violation.
Step out of the car, son! Step out of the car! Slowly.
Okay, next.
Slowly.
Alright, next.
Yeah.
Armed robbery.
Armed robbery. Put it down, sluggo! You don't want to end your life now! Get down to the ground! Get down to the ground! You wanna die? You wanna die, sir? I didn't think so. Put your hands behind your back. Honk it one more time. They're going crazy with it. Get down, get down.
She didn't say anything? Josh is filming this video, this phone conversation. Oh! Oh God! Dude, you're gonna. Oh.
There's still fucking smoke in the air. Look at it. You see it?
Captain Crunch.
I know what it is. I'm
The fuck? Because I'm chasing criminals. See him?
Looking for me? I want to send you to hell. Yeah!